Special repair tool MF3084 for mounting, dismounting and adjusting of steering rack side tightening nut. The tool is applicable to BMW and Mercedes-Benz. See the full list of application to cars in the end of this video. Use of the tool is demonstrated on BMW 3 F30 power steering rack. Special repair tool MF3084, full list of application to cars.